Hello to you. Welcome back to venvenmusic and country life. Have you ever seen this herb? It's the Jamaican dog blood bush. It's also called Revenia humilis, fertility bush, inflammation weed, pigeonberry, bloodberry, or baby pepper. Now, before we go any further, you can take this time to hit up that subscription button below, leave me a comment, and hit up that like button and share the love. This herb is one of the most effective herbs for inflammation, and it can be used to remedy all kinds of inflammation. This is one of the most effective herbs in cleaning and clearing up the female reproductive tract. And this includes removing blockages in the fallopian tubes and helping to balance hormones. What a powerful herb. This also helps with fibroids and the removal of cysts from the womb. It also helps to relieve painful menstrual cycle and resolve irregular menstrual cycle. Now, if you're struggling with gastrointestinal problems as well, this herb can help with that. It enhances the digestive system. It helps as well with skin conditions like eczema, rash, or psoriasis. You can brew the leaves into a tea and add to your bath, or just use the fresh tea to wash the skin, and your skin will thank you for that. It is also excellent for pain, and it is a good remedy for migraine headaches. Now, this herb carries a fruit that is bright red, hence why some people call it bloodberry or baby pepper. Now, the recommended dosage for this herb is 1 cup, that's 8 ounces, 2 times per day. So you will gather the leaves and put it to quail or dry, and you can brew it into a tea and take 2 times daily. So in the morning on your empty stomach, and in the night before you go off to bed. And for best results, ladies, you should start this 3 days before your menstrual cycle starts and continue for 1 month. And this will help to resolve your problems, your fertility problems, your cyst problems, your fibroid problems. It will help you to get rid of these problems. Now, remember to consult your doctor. Read the usage of this herb as well, based on your condition. So thank you. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for sharing. So stay tuned and stay connected for another awesome, informative, and exciting country life video.